Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hole closely so you know the repair method. Leather tiers differ from stretch silicone. Once you see the damage, trim any frayed edges and clean the area with a bit of rubbing alcohol. This improves adhesion. Make sure to lay the strap flat on a towel and position the watch face away from you. Then choose stitching versus replacing an eyelet. Pick a needle and thread that match strength and thickness. Now begin the first stitch or prep the eyelet hole. You now perform the main repair. If stitching, pre-pierce holes with an awl, thread a strong needle and use a saddle stitch to distribute load. This prevents re-tear. If fitting an eyelet, punch a pilot hole slightly smaller than the eyelet shaft, insert the eyelet and compress with pliers until it seats. Add a drop of glue for security. For silicone, apply a flexible adhesive, press in a thin backing patch inside the strap, and clamp briefly. Make sure seams are even and excess glue wiped away. You finish by cleaning the repair. Trim thread ends, secure knots, and press the area flat. Synthetic thread tips can be sealed carefully with heat. Once done, put the watch on and test normal straps movements, then stress test gently. If stitching loosens or the eyelet shifts, re-tighten or re-glue. Make sure to check water resistance. If adhesive fails, repeat with a flexible glue. If the hole grows beyond about 5 millimeters or metal parts corrode, replace the strap to avoid failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.